This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating the simplest power causes. First, plug the Xbox directly into a known good wall outlet. Many systems misbehave on weak or switched power. Next, disconnect the external power brick and leave it unplugged for 10 to 15 seconds to discharge capacitors. This resets internal power logic. Once done, press and hold the console's front Xbox button for about 10 seconds until it powers down. Wait a few seconds. Then reconnect and press the button to attempt a clean restart. Now focus on boot behavior and software state because many turn-off issues are firmware related. Examine the power brick LED and listen for startup beeps. Inconsistent LEDs or repeated beeps point to hardware or supply faults. Remove all external USB devices and peripherals to rule out short or mount issues, then try to boot. If it still dies, use the recovery sequence by holding the pair and eject buttons while pressing the Xbox power to trigger the troubleshoot menu, and consider a system update or reset from there. Finish by isolating whether the problem is the supply, console internals, or firmware. If you have access to another Xbox One X power brick or a tested outlet, swap them to confirm. When recovery repeatedly fails, prepare an offline system update on a USB drive to reinstall system files. This can fix corrupted firmware that causes shutdowns. If none of this fixes it, contact support or arrange repair. Make sure you have the console serial and purchase date handy. One key tip: avoid guessing with internal fixes if under.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.